In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable game activity on Discord. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Discord on your device. So as you can see on the right side of my Discord page, under my name, you'll be able to see the app that I'm currently using on my laptop. To enable or disable it, what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and head over to the settings section. So go ahead and click on settings. And here, go ahead and scroll down and look for activity settings. Under it, go ahead and click on activity privacy. Now make sure to enable share your detected activities with others and enable your share your activity status by default when joining large servers if you want to enable it, and click on the disable button if you want to disable it. Now since I've disabled this feature, once I head back to my profile, I won't be able to see and others won't be able to see the current app that I'm using on my laptop. And that's how you can simply enable and disable game activity on Discord. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.